Hello, it's me. Okay, I know it's been a while, but whatever. I've been busy. There's a lot of things going on. But anyways, lately I've been getting a lot of questions about my skin and specifically how I get my skin so glowy. I get a lot of compliments. So I kind of want to do a look that is like compatible for the summertime, because in this look we're not going to use foundation or a lot of powder. It's hot outside, it's sunny, and you know, the last thing I want to do is to be sweating through a full face of makeup. Yeah, let's do this. On my face right now, all I have is this Kiehl's Cannabis Sativa Seed Oil Herbal Concentrate. It's just a sample, but I've been using it for a while now. I feel like it has a lot to do with the glowiness of my skin, and I feel like it really reduces a lot of my redness, which is really nice. And I'm not gonna do any primer or lotion or anything like that. I'm just gonna go straight in with this Badescu Rosewater spray. And after that's dried a little bit, I'm just gonna go straight into the makeup. So this is my NYX Dark Circle Concealer Corrector. It's an orange color, and I'm going in with basically a dry Real Technique sponge, just putting the tip in there, and I'm gonna go over my redness, any discoloration I have. These are the two concealers I've been using religiously: the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear and the Maybelline Fit Me. I am in 325 Eggshell. I only use a little bit of this because it's so pigmented in like the best way. Oh shoot. Like that was probably too much on my upper lip, but oh well. I'm taking a different Real Technique sponge. This one's damp. I'm just gonna blend that all in. Just putting a dot under my eyes. That's literally all you need. I'm using Physicians Formula Mineral Wear in translucent light, and I'm taking like literally an eyeshadow brush, just dipping it in and tapping the excess off and setting under my eyes. Okay, hi, I'm back. I was rudely interrupted. But that's another video. So I have my concealer on. Now I'm gonna go into like bronzing. I'm using this Makeup Geek medium skin bronzer in Tawny, and I'm going in my creases just to give it a little color. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. I'm using this e.l.f. brow pencil, and I'm just gonna lightly fill them in. I just don't like how fat the pencil is, you know? Like, it works for like when I do my brows like this, but if I want like a perfect eyebrow, no, this is not gonna get it done. I'm gonna take a brown eyeliner pencil and just outline the very edges. And it comes with a little smudger, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go back in the bronzer and use it on our face. I'm gonna highlight my nose and the inner corners of my eyes. I'm gonna go into my Morphe highlighter palette and use this shade right here called Galactic, and mix it a little bit with Trance, which is right underneath, and just go in. Can you see that? I hope you can. Gonna set my eyebrows with the NYX Control Freak Eyebrow Gel in clear. Time for some blush. I have this Z palette that I made, and I just kind of, this is a Makeup Forever blush, and this is like, I don't know, old from I don't even know what anymore. And I just go in on my cheeks, blend it with the bronzer and the highlighter to help that highlighter look more like skin and less shiny. And a little trick I've been doing is going in with my NYX brow pencil and doing some little freckles. I just like press and twist. When there's too much face makeup on it, I will wipe it off on a paper towel that I always have handy. I just free ball it every time. And then like these are kind of heavy on my nose, so I'll just like lightly tap them with my finger to help it blend in a little more. I'm gonna spray my face with more Rosewater. I've kind of been using it as my setting spray because, well, I ran out of setting spray, but I feel like the Rosewater really does help absorb any powder that's on my face, which in result makes my skin look more dewy. I'm gonna go in with mascara. This is the Super Stellar by lune+aster. I've been using it for the longest time because it's great. For my lips, this is a summer essential for sure. It's by Fresh Beauty, Sugarberry Tinted Lip Treatment with sunscreen. Yeah, I guess that's the color. But yeah, I just dabbed this on my lips. It's pink and pretty and super moisturizing. It protects your lips. Perfect for whenever you decide to go tanning, so you don't get dry lips or sunburnt lips, because that's disgusting. This is the finished look. It's super quick. It's what I've been doing on an everyday basis for work. Yeah, I hope you like it. I hope you learned some tips on how to get dewier skin. I probably should have said this in the beginning, but my skin type is oily, but I do get dry patches. I'm acne prone, so this is it. Hope you liked it. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate ya. I wish I could tell you when I'm gonna upload next, but I really don't know. My schedule's kind of all over the place right now. A lot of things are about to change in my life for the better. So next time I see you, just know that I'll be in a better place to where I can upload more frequently and more freely. Love you. Thanks for tuning in.